Funfetti Blondie made with Nestlé baking essentials. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease and line a 20 cm square cake pan with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang by about 5 cm. Stir butter and Nestlé white choc melts in a saucepan over low heat for about 5 minutes or until the mixture is smooth. Set aside for 15 minutes to cool. Add sugar and eggs and stir to combine. Then add plain flour and self-raising flour and stir to combine. Next, gently fold in Nestlé Milk Choc Bits, rainbow confetti and sprinkles. Pour the mixture into prepared pan and sprinkle with extra confetti. Bake the blondie for 1 hour. Cover with foil during cooking to prevent over-browning. To test if the blondie is cooked, insert a skewer in the centre and make sure it comes out clean. Set aside in the pan and cool completely before cutting into pieces. That's how easy it is to make this Funfetti Blondie using Nestlé baking essentials. If you want to get ahead, store the uncut blondie in an airtight container for up to 2 days. For more delicious dessert recipes, check out our dessert playlist here, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.